Ladoos, you're watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Little Ladoo is so cute, and she's such an amazing little girl, always wanting to go on another adventure. If you'd like to make a little Ladoo that looks just like this, then keep watching, because I'm going to show you how to make her out of a paper plate.
So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some orange paint and some white glue, some green sequins, some googly eyes, a black Sharpie, a paintbrush, a pair of scissors, a paper plate, a pencil, some yellow paper and some pink paper. I'm using these paint swatches from the hardware store, and some black construction paper and a ruler. Now that we have everything, let's clear the space and get started. We're gonna first paint this plate with orange paint. Now just be careful not to get it onto the table, so I've just put a white sheet underneath. And I'm just quickly giving it a coat of orange paint. Now while that's drying, you're going to take your black construction paper and draw 4 lines lengthwise to the length of the paper and cut them out. You don't need them to be too wide. I would say about 1 centimeter is good. And then you're going to make an accordion. So we're going to make an L and then glue it and then fold it back and forth like an accordion. Just over and under, and there you go. And we're going to glue the edge and let that dry. Now we're going to do that again to make the other arm. Now you have 2, we're going to cut out 4 more sheets, and now we're going to make the legs in the exact same way. So you glue the edges and hold it down and then fold over and over and over again. So one and the other to make your 4 legs. Now I'm going to use this pink paper and cut out her cheeks. There you go, we have 2 circles. I drew 1 and I cut out 2. And then I'm going to make the cashew. So I'm going to use this bright yellow, draw on the back, and cut it out. You won't see this rough part, so it's nice to use fun items that you might find out when you're out with your parents. Now I'm going to place them all on and glue them in their right places. Eyes, cheeks, cashew, and I'm going to add a mouth and her eyebrows and lashes, and then glue on her legs and arms. And there you go. She moves around, she's super cute. And that's how you make a little Ladoo plate craft.
Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. We hope you enjoyed today's craft and that you will make it at home. When you do, make sure to tag us on Instagram or send us a DM. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and follow us, and let us know what you would like to see next time. Thanks for watching, Little Ladoos. See you next time!
Wow.